అందరికీ నమస్కారం అండి. ఇది మాడ్యూల్ 7 పాఠశాల ఆధారిత మదింపులో పోర్ట్ఫోలియో 7. ఇది ఒక మోడల్ పోర్ట్ఫోలియో. ఇది నా యొక్క అవగాహన మేరకు రాయడం జరిగింది. సమ్ ఆఫ్ మై వ్యూవర్స్ ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ టు రైట్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్. దట్స్ వై ఐ చూజ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ సబ్జెక్ట్. ఇందులో భాగంగా ప్రాథమిక స్థాయి గణితం లేదా భాషకు సంబంధించిన పాఠ్యపుస్తకంలోని యూనిట్ని ఎంచుకుని దానిలోని ఒక అధ్యాయానికి బోధనాభ్యాసన మరియు మూల్యాంకన ప్రణాళిక వ్యూహాలను ఈ మాడ్యూల్లో నేర్చుకున్న దానికి వర్తింపు చేయాలని చెప్పడం జరిగింది. ఫర్ దిస్ పోర్ట్ఫోలియో ఐ హ్యావ్ సెలెక్టెడ్ ద సబ్జెక్ట్ ఇంగ్లీష్. క్లాస్ ఈజ్ 5th class and also the topic is my sweet memories. For this portfolio, firstly we should prepare the assessment for learning. To learn about the topic, we should prepare the child to the topic by asking them the questions like, what is your unforgettable memory? Do you like to remember the memory? By posing these type of questions, children recall and recollect their memories which are happened in the past. They like the memory. Then the teacher told that it is called a sweet memory, which is unforgettable and gives us happiness. Firstly, we should prepare the child and assessment as learning. In this part, there are some pictures are shown in the textbook to match. Children match the pictures to the related one. And assessment of learning. In this part, children learn that the sweet memories help us to relax and refresh, and of course they are always packed with fun. In this lesson, Santosh has the habit of writing a diary. He wrote his experiences in his grandparents' village on summer vacation. He wrote the incidents from day to day. This is the lesson and his sweet memories. In the part of evaluation, for this, the teacher told him to prepare a chart as given below. What do we observe in a village? Children should prepare the chart like this. Village. What do we observe in village? Green fields, animals, bullock carts, birds, farmers, hills, temples and canals. Children write the words associated with the village. Next activity is paragraph writing on a given topic. Here there is a topic given by the teacher. A paragraph is a group of sentences that tells us about a single idea. The topic to write a paragraph is how you spent in an interesting weekend. For this teacher gives some notes like this: topic, supporting details, concluding sentence. And another activity is writing of diary entry. This diary entry is according to our lesson. As Santosh done. Describing how you celebrated Deepavali by using the hints given below. The hints are Deepavali, house decoration, new clothes, Lakshmi Puja, colorful lights, Rangoli patterns, burning crackers, enjoyed. These words are hints. By using these words, we write a paragraph. By using these hints, children will write a diary entry. Conclusion. In this way, memory, which is recollecting of incidents which are occurred in our life, and sweet memories are unforgettable, which gives us happiness. In this way, children recollecting their sweet memories and how they give happiness to them, these are the topic. Thank you.